This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on Wix. First, you'll want to sign up for a free Wix account. This is your initial step into the platform. Next, you'll choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates, ensuring your site looks great from the start. Finally, select a domain name that perfectly represents your brand, making it easy for visitors to find you online. This foundational setup takes just a few minutes. Once your template is chosen, it's time to make it truly yours. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to move any element with ease, giving you complete creative control. You can customize every detail, from your site's color palette and typography to uploading your own images and videos. Add essential sections like a stunning photo gallery or a convenient contact form, tailoring your site to your specific goals and audience. Now, let's fill your website with compelling content. Upload your best images and videos and write engaging text that tells your story. Explore the Wix app market, which offers over 300 powerful applications to extend your site's capabilities, from booking systems to social media feeds. If you're selling products, easily set up your online store, add product details, and configure secure payment gateways for a seamless shopping experience. Before going live, take a moment to preview your entire website on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring everything looks exactly as you intend. Once you're satisfied, connect your custom domain name, giving your site a professional and memorable web address. Finally, utilize Wix's built-in SEO tools to optimize your pages, helping search engines like Google understand your content and drive more organic traffic to your brand new website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.